Okay, so I'm just trying to show you guys how to add the Delicious buttons into your toolbar on your web browser so that you can do your bookmarking a bit more easily. So if you log into your Delicious account, and we'll look for the help screen, and somewhere down here, where is it? Here we are, under bookmarking, which is the second heading. We want Internet Explorer buttons, or if you're using another browser you'll select those, but we'll go to Internet Explorer buttons. Okay, gives you some instructions. We'll press this button here which says Install Buttons Now, and it will come up with a couple of screens which you will choose the Run option each time, and then the next option. After you've started the installer, you have to make sure that you've closed any open Internet Explorer windows, and then it will go through the steps. So let's follow them and see how we go. So we go Install Button Now, we choose Run, choose Run again, okay, now at this step it says the installer will guide you through the steps required to install the buttons. Please close all open Internet Explorer windows before continuing. So we'll just bring this across here so we can see the buttons properly. I'm going to close my Internet Explorer, just seeing the other screens there that I'm closing. Okay, took a while there to close all my windows that were open, but now here we are with the installer. So we go to the next step. I guess we're going to agree because we want to use these tools. Press next again, press next again, next again. There goes the installation. It's reopened the Internet Explorer automatically. Because I'm doing this at uni, it's asking me for my logon password. It won't do that to you at home. Okay, and now it says your buttons have been successfully installed. So as long as you've logged in at some point on your computer through your browser to Delicious, you should be able to use the two bookmarks. The tag this button is the one that you press when you want to tag a site. The other button allows you to actually go and see your bookmarks through the browser. So see how you go with that. If you have any problems you can send me an email. Okay, so once we've done that we press close, and if we actually just check our browser, just a note here which hopefully you can read on screen. In one of my previous classes, a student had problems with the browser buttons in Internet Explorer, and what they had to do was go to the Tools menu, which is up the top here, and go to Internet Options, which is down the bottom, and go to the Advanced tab, and then they had to check the box that says Enable Third-Party Extensions, and there it is under Browsing, a little bit down the list. Mine is ticked, it says Enable Third-Party Browser Extensions. Once you've done that, you might have to click the Apply button. Probably click Apply and then OK, and then hopefully it will all work for you. That's if you have to do that. Try it without that first, or you can at least go and check that that setting's been done. Okay, so try and get those buttons installed on your personal computers, and maybe try and start using that social bookmarking a bit more, and remember the 4:CPE 4201 tag so that we can share the bookmarking that you do amongst the other students in the class.